9 class. Today I start chapter 10, Natural Resources Conservation and Management. My topic is natural resources. Nothing in nature is a resource. Something becomes resources. My thought. Natural resources can be defined as material or substance such as mineral, forest, water, and fertile land that occur in nature and can be used for economic gain. Natural resources, the example is air, water, wood, oil, solar energy, wind energy, fossil fuel, mineral, and coal. Refined oil is not a natural resource since human create. Natural resources is any useful product which is produced by nature and is essential for our survival. Types of natural resources. Natural resources can be classified classified by various methods. This includes source of origin, stage of development, and by their renewability. So first is classified as their either renewable and non-renewable resources. These are resources which can be replenished naturally. Example: sunlight, air, wind, water, and non-renewable resources. These resources which are formed extremely slowly. Example: mineral, fossil fuels. The non-renewable resources and heavy metals, including heavy metals such as gold, iron. Classified on the basis of origin. Biotic resources which are living and organic material, example forest, animal, coal, fossil fuel, petroleum is also included in the category because they are formed from decayed organic matter. Abiotic resources which are non-living, non-organic material, example land, fresh water, air, and heavy metal, including ore such as gold, iron, copper, silver, etc. Classified on the basis of stage of development. First is potential resources that exist in a regained may be used in future. मतलब ऐसे रिसोर्सेज जो हमें फ्यूचर में यूज़ करने, हमें पता है कि भारत के कुछ जगह पेट्रोल हैं जिनको इन फ्यूचर हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. दैट इज पोटेंशियल रिसोर्सेज. Actual resources that have been surveyed their quantity and quality determined and are being used in present time. The development of actual resources मीन्स इज क्लियर. सर्वे किए गए ऐसे इस क्वालिटी और क्वांटिटी वाले रिसोर्सेज जो हम इन प्रेजेंट टाइम में यूज़ कर रहे हैं या कर सकते. नेक्स्ट इज रिजर्व रिसोर्सेज. द पार्ट ऑफ एन एक्चुअल रिसोर्सेज विच कैन बी डेवलप प्रॉफिटेबल इन द फ्यूचर इज कॉल्ड अ रिजर्व रिसोर्सेज. एंड स्टॉक रिसोर्सेज वे रिसोर्सेज होते हैं जो हम यूज़ नहीं कर पा रहे हैं लैक ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजीज़ के कारण. दैट हैव बीन सर्वे बट कैन नॉट बी यूज बाय ऑर्गेनिज्म ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी. Why are need conservation and management of natural resources? क्यों ज़रूरत पड़ी हमें need? So most of natural resources on earth, especially the non-renewable resources, have a finite limit. Excessive use of these may deprive the future generation of their use. It is therefore extremely essential that we not only conserve natural resources but also plan their proper management so that the longevity of the resources increase. Some of the major effects of unrestricted use of natural resources are global warming, soil erosion, acid rain, ozone layer depletion. What is ozone? Ozone का chemical O3, a gas composed of 3 atoms of oxygen, bluish gas that is harmful to breathe. Nearly 19% of Earth Ozone is the stratosphere and referred to as the ozone layer. Ozone observes a band of ultraviolet radius called UVB. Formation of a O2 plus sunlight, the O3. Look at that. Ozone depletion. Ozone layer depletion is simply the wearing out of the amount of ozone in the stratosphere. Unlike pollution, which may have many types and causes, ozone depletion has been pinned down to one major human activity. Industries that manufacturing things like insulting foam, solvents, soap, cooling things like air conditioner, refrigerator, and takeaway container use something is called chlorofluorocarbon. This is the process by using the total volume of ozone in the Earth atmosphere decrease the causes of ozone depletion. Man-made causes: chlorofluorocarbon, halon, methyl chloroform, hydrofluorocarbon, and natural causes. Impact of ozone depletion: harm to human health, more skin cancer, sunburn, and premature aging of the skin, more cataract, blindness, and other eye disease. Adverse impact on agriculture. Plant growth, especially in seeding, is harmed by more intense UV radiation. Major crop species are particularly vulnerable to increased UV, resulting in reducing growth, photosynthesis, and flowering. Effect of animals in domestic animals. UV overexposure may cause eyes and skin cancer. Species of marine animal in their developmental stages, example young fish, shrimp, larvae and crab, have been threatened in recent years by the increased UV radiation under the Antarctic ozone hole. Effect on material: wood, plastic, rubber, fabric, and many construction material are degraded by UV radiation. The economic impact of replacing and or protecting material could be significant. Now class, thank you and Jai Narayan.